Attention! There have been many sightings of the broken old body anomalies. These creatures were thought to be fake and made up by an organization looking to scare people. However, it has come to our attention that the warnings provided by the organization are indeed true and should be listened to. Please take a moment to listen to the information provided by the BOBD, otherwise known as the Broken Old Bodies Department.
Just last year, there were many sightings of the bob species around Canada. I tried to warn the public about these creatures and established the DOBD, an organization that would learn more about these creatures so you didn't have to. Side note, we kept trying to warn you idiots, yet you did not listen. This is Canada and it's expected, but you guys are better than this. Anyways, now I will discuss this species and how to combat them. Step 1. If you see a bob, please do not panic. If it doesn't notice your presence, you still have a chance to get away. Get on all fours and very slowly crawl away. Step 2. If a bob notices you, run as fast as you can to the nearest building and hide. Bobs are tall, so we recommend hiding in low spaces. Step 3. Call the DOBD station and talk to an operator. Help will be sent to you. Step 4. If a bob finds you hiding in a low space, you are cooked. Here are some words from one of many survivors we saved.
Hi, my name is Steve, and I am a survivor of the Bob anomaly, I think is what they call it. And I had a very terrifying experience, a near-death experience at that. But I guess I'll just tell you my story to help you out in the future in case you wondering what you could do in this situation and how to stay calm, you know? One day I came from school and I unfortunately missed the bus, and so I had to walk home. So I walked. It was a very long walk, but I was near my house when I saw it. Bob. Bob had a no face. He had I think it was a blue shirt, or it could have been pink or purple. I'm not exactly sure. I'm colorblind, but it's besides the point. He was really tall, and he had some very long fingers as well. He was very creepy, to say the least, and instinctively I just panicked and I ran. I just started running. I bolted straight to my house, and I could hear its footsteps just chasing behind me. I was I still remember it like it was yesterday. It was only a few weeks ago, but it was. Anyways, I made it to my house and I locked the door, but Bob kept banging on the door. He followed me all the way home, and I didn't know what to do. I was panicking. I was scared. I tried to stay calm. Then it hit me. I remember seeing a forum online about a something relating to these creatures, and it was from the BOB department, and I specifically remember their number, and so I called them, and I talked to them. I was trying so hard not to panic, and they the, it was too late. Bob had found me, and my life flashed before my eyes. He ripped off my legs, both of my legs, and he ripped off both of my arms, and I thought I was gonna die. I was blacking out, and that's when they busted the door open and contained Bob. They and they helped me. I survived. I survived a Bob. I did it. I survived one. And you can too. You just need to follow this guide, listen to my words, and listen to this video's words. Bobs are a real thing, and all they want is blood.
Thank you for listening to our warnings. Thank you 6 for having us. Please stay safe. Goodbye.
Thank you for your time. You can now continue to your regular